Okay, so the first thing you're going to do today, if you did not have class with me on Wednesday, is you're going to install Fusion to your student laptop, or if you're at home, obviously today, you can install it to your computer at home, whichever you want to. It does not matter. But however, I do still want you to install it to your laptop eventually. All right, so what you're going to do is on the class website, you're going to click to the link to the Autodesk website. This is the same place where we went the other day, but I just did a link for you here. So we're going to go to our Autodesk website. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to sign in. So we're going to go up to the top to where it says sign in. You have to sign in a couple times here. It's kind of crazy, but it is what it is. So we're going to go sign in. We're going to go next. And we're going to go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in, you're going to go ahead and go to Get Products. This goes through this. And now, once again, you have to sign in again. So you're going to go sign in once again. You're going to go next and sign in. Now here, it probably comes up with a screen. Yours may be a little bit different, but you're confirmed. You have the ability to install stuff. No, not. Yeah, to install free software. So we're going to go ahead and get Autodesk software. And you're going to come down here to Fusion 360. Mine will look a little bit different from yours because I already have it installed. But you're going to go ahead and click on Get Product. And instead of Access, yours probably says Install because you don't already have it installed on your machine. You're just going to click on it and install it. It might take a while. You may not get very far into the assignment today because your Fusion is installing. But just get done with what you can. If you have another class, something else you need to work on while it's installing, do that. But this is what you need to get done for, or first off, is you have Fusion installed. So once you do that, it's going to install it, accept all the defaults, everything on there, you'll be great. One other thing it's going to do for those of you that have not done Fusion at all yet, when you first start Fusion, it's going to ask you to create a team. When you go to create that team, all you're going to do is you're going to create a team that's with your name. So you're going to create a team that's named you, and that's basically your start of that. So good luck and have fun.